Away they go, 11 yan Queen from the outside, Sun by your man down on the inside, Lisa's Magic, and on the further outside, fast forward, moving up by the road, Big Bone Kampai, down on the inside, Bull Rock, Ideal View, Danny Phantom Queen, and Mike's Dancer is running at the tail of the field, Lisa's Magic, Big Bone, Sun by your man, Kampai racing in forward by Lincoln up, 11 yan Queen, fast forward. Rounding the far turn, Lisa's Magic by some 3 lengths. Big Bone down on the inside, Kampai, stand by your man, 11 yan Queen. Running in fifth by some 3 lengths alongside, fast forward. As they race the final corner, Lisa's Magic by some 3 lengths, Kampai in second, Big Bone. And moving up is 11 yan Queen. And nearing the finish line, Lisa's Magic, Kampai, 11 yan Queen, Big Bone. Lisa's Magic, Kampai is on the outside. And 11 yan Queen, making room by the rail. And finally, 11 yan Queen. Kampai close, fast forward, Lisa's Magic close. For fifth, Stand by Your Man. And number 1, Big Bone for your Super Sais.
Okay, an exciting finish.